Have you ever wondered, what if aliens communicate through telepathy? Now there's a tantalizing thought to tickle your curiosity. Picture this: extraterrestrial beings communicating not through spoken words or written language, but through the direct transmission of thoughts, ideas, and emotions. A fascinating concept, isn't it? Telepathy, as we understand it, is a form of communication that transcends the barriers of language and physical distance. It's a concept that has been around for centuries, permeating various cultures and literary works across the globe. From the ancient Greeks who believed in the power of far feeling to the indigenous tribes who reportedly experienced shared dreams, telepathic communication has been a recurring theme. In the world of literature, telepathy often finds a place in the realms of science fiction and fantasy. Remember Professor X from the X-Men series using his telepathic abilities to read and control minds? Or the Vulcan mind melds from Star Trek, where thoughts, experiences and memories are shared via a simple touch. These are all representations of telepathy, a form of communication that is as enigmatic as it is intriguing. But here's the million-dollar question. Is telepathy scientifically possible? Well, the jury is still out on that one. While some believe it to be a latent human ability yet to be fully realized, others argue that it lacks empirical evidence and thus remains in the realm of pseudoscience. However, when we extend this concept to extraterrestrial beings, it opens up a whole new dimension of possibilities. If telepathy does exist, it could potentially be a universal mode of communication, transcending the barriers of language, time and space. Imagine a universe where interstellar conversations occur not through radio waves, but through the silent transmission of thoughts. So let us delve deeper into the realm of telepathy and its potential implications for extraterrestrial communication. Who knows, we might just be on the brink of uncovering a universal truth that could forever change our understanding of life beyond Earth. Is telepathy a mere figment of imagination, or does it have a scientific basis? That's the question on many curious minds. In the quest to understand telepathy, we first need to appreciate that it's a concept deeply rooted in the realm of the paranormal and the supernatural. But as we peel back the layers, we find that science has been flirting with the idea for quite some time. The latest research in neuroscience and quantum physics has opened up intriguing possibilities. For instance, researchers are increasingly exploring the concept of quantum entanglement, where particles become interconnected and can instantly affect each other regardless of the distance separating them. Could this be a scientific basis for telepathy? Experiments have also been conducted in the field of parapsychology with mixed results. Some studies claim to have found statistical evidence of telepathic communication, while others have failed to replicate these results. Moreover, the scientific community is divided on the topic. Many scientists remain skeptical, citing the lack of consistent, reproducible evidence. Others, however, are more open to the idea, suggesting that our understanding of the mind and consciousness is still in its infancy, and that we might yet discover phenomena that defy our current understanding. While the jury is still out on the scientific validity of telepathy, it's fascinating to consider its potential for extraterrestrial communication. The universe is vast, and the possibility of life beyond Earth is a topic that has intrigued humans for ages. Indeed, the vastness of the cosmos is mind-boggling. Our Milky Way is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Within each of these galaxies there are billions of stars, many of which likely have planets orbiting around them. The sheer number of potentially habitable planets in the universe suggests that life beyond Earth is not just a possibility, but a probability. Modern science has brought us closer to answering the question of extraterrestrial life than ever before. Recent discoveries, such as the presence of water on Mars and moons of Jupiter, suggest that the conditions necessary for life as we know it might exist elsewhere in our own solar system. Moreover, telescopes like Kepler and TESS have discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which reside in the habitable zone, where conditions might be just right for life. The search for extraterrestrial life is not limited to microbial life forms. There's a growing interest in the scientific community to find intelligent life forms. The SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence project, has been actively listening for signals from outer space for more than half a century. While no definitive proof of intelligent life has been found yet, the silence doesn't rule out their existence. Theories about intelligent extraterrestrial life are as diverse as they are fascinating. Some speculate that advanced civilizations might be using sophisticated means of communication that we are yet to comprehend. One such possibility is telepathy, an idea often featured in science fiction. Telepathy, or mind-to-mind communication, is not limited by physical distance or barriers. It's a mode of communication that would be incredibly efficient for advanced civilizations. While we're still far from understanding or developing such a mode of communication, it's a possibility that can't be entirely discounted. The search for extraterrestrial life continues, and with it, the quest to understand their potential modes of communication, including telepathy. If telepathy exists, and if there is intelligent life beyond Earth, could they be communicating through telepathy? A question that has intrigued us for decades, if not centuries. The concept of telepathic aliens isn't entirely new. It's been a staple of science fiction literature and cinema for years. Let's dive into some theories that propose this mind-bending possibility. The Drake equation, formulated by Dr. Frank Drake in the 1960s, attempts to estimate the number of extraterrestrial civilizations in our galaxy. Though it doesn't mention telepathy, it does suggest the existence of advanced civilizations that may have developed communication methods beyond our comprehension. Could telepathy be one of those methods? Now think about the Fermi paradox, which essentially asks, if there are so many potential alien civilizations out there, why haven't we heard from them? Some have suggested that we're simply not tuned into their frequency. Perhaps they're communicating telepathically, and we, limited by our five senses, are missing their signals. This concept has been popularized time and time again in our culture. For instance, in Arthur C. Clarke's Space Odyssey series, the advanced alien race communicates through thought transmission. Similarly, the iconic movie Close Encounters of the Third Kind portrays aliens using a form of telepathy to communicate. But if telepathic communication is a possibility, what would it imply? Firstly, it would mean that these alien civilizations are far more advanced than ours, having unlocked the secrets of the mind to a degree we can only dream of. It could also mean that our understanding of physics, particularly quantum physics, is incomplete. Some theorists argue that telepathy could be explained by quantum entanglement, the idea that two particles can be linked regardless of the distance between them. Moreover, if we were ever able to tap into this form of communication, it could revolutionize our understanding of not only the universe but also our own potential. It would make the vastness of space a little less daunting, and the silence of the universe a little less deafening. These theories and speculations, while unproven, give us a thrilling glimpse into the potential mysteries of the universe. They make us question, they make us dream, and they make us strive for deeper understanding. Telepathic aliens remain a fascinating possibility, one that continues to enthrall our imagination. Whether they exist or not, the thought of them pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and challenges us to explore the uncharted territories of the cosmos. So what would it mean for us if aliens do communicate through telepathy? Well, let's take a step back and ponder over the fascinating journey we've embarked on today. We've probed the possibility of telepathic communication, an intriguing concept that has been a staple of science fiction for decades. We've delved into the science and fiction of telepathy, weighing the evidence and theories that surround it. Moving beyond our own species, we've explored the vast and mysterious realm of extraterrestrial life. We've sifted through facts and theories, each one more fascinating than the last, painting a picture of an incredibly diverse universe teeming with possibilities. And then, we've pondered the intriguing possibility of telepathic aliens. Imagine beings from another world who communicate not through words or signs, but through thought. How would that change our understanding of communication, of consciousness, of life itself? If aliens do communicate through telepathy, it could have profound implications for humanity. It could revolutionize our understanding of communication and cognition. It could challenge our definitions of what it means to be sentient. It could even provide us with new ways to connect with each other, breaking down barriers of language and culture. But perhaps most importantly, It would underscore our shared cosmic heritage. If beings from another world can communicate through thought, it would remind us that at the end of the day, we are all made of star stuff, connected by the cosmic web of existence. It's a thrilling prospect, isn't it? But as we continue to explore the cosmos and search for extraterrestrial life, let's remember to keep our minds open to all possibilities. After all, the universe is a big place, full of wonders beyond our wildest dreams. Whether telepathic aliens exist or not, the exploration of such possibilities broadens our understanding of the universe and our place in it.